Hello friends, welcome to my channel Green Bengal. I am Abhishek. Today I am going to show you how to propagate Dracaena plant from stem cutting. Dracaena, or commonly called Dracaena Mahatma, is an evergreen perennial foliage houseplant in the family Asparagaceae and native to Africa. It is widely grown as an ornamental houseplant. Dracaena is a very easy to grow and low maintenance houseplant. In this video, I am going to show you how to propagate Dracaena plant from stem cutting. First of all, cut some healthy stems which is 4 to 6 inches long. Now I am making potting mix for Dracaena. The ratio of the potting mix is 60% garden soil, 20% vermicompost and 20% fine sand. Mix it well. Take some grow bags and fill it with potting mix. Take cuttings and dip into the rooting powder. Plant cuttings into the potting mix. Rooting powder is not mandatory. You can grow it without any rooting powder. It is very easy to process. You can do it any time of the year, but best growing season is spring. Finally, give some water and keep it in partial sunlight place for a few days. After 4 weeks, cuttings look like this. Look at this root development. Roots are well developed within 4 weeks. Now we transplant into the pot. Take a well-drained pot and cover the drainage holes with some coconut husk. Fill it with potting mix. Plant Dracaena into the potting mix. Finally, water it properly. Hope you enjoy this video. Please like my video and share my video. Have you any query? Please comment me and subscribe to my channel and click bell icon for latest update. Thank you.